Hi everyone, we're at 148 3rd Street, Unit 108. This lovely condo is situated in a great area. It's at the Cobourg waterfront. Steps to the beach, the marina, downtown shops. Come on in, let's go take a look. As you walk in, you'll see the large eat-in kitchen with a lot of cabinets. It's open to the spacious living area. There's a renovated 3-piece bath with walk-in shower and in-suite laundry. A great feature is the outdoor sitting area. An additional great feature is the common room. There's also one designated parking space.